Welcome to Daily Bubbles. I present to you K-pop concerts, artists' daily events and much more. Enjoy.
Yes, hello everyone! Mabuhay! I am your host.
They actually show off the character of Yoon Myung-ju in their own respective countries, and to hear and to see the different versions of it, it was very thrilling talaga. Pero, of course, to hug the character of Yoon Myung-ju, every time, di ba, she had to portray her love towards Mr. Sobay, yung mga pag-jokes niya. And there was this particular scene wherein she had to confront him and tell him that hindi ka bababalik sa akin. And on that part, I saw that I really wanted to give her a hug.
Oh.
So pag mga hip-hop, ganito pa rin.
Pag normal na tao lang. Pag mga Gen Z.
저도 배워야 돼요. 다pat turuan niyo ako. So pag mga hip-hop,
Pag normal na tao lang. Pag mga Gen Z.
그럼 저도 배워야 돼요. 다pat turuan niyo rin ako.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and to hit that subscribe button.